In the overflow, hear my heart. I'm talking to you, please listen to me carefully. The Lord knows the deep damage that sin does to the hearts and lives of human beings. Listen to me. He knows how destructive it is. He knows how catastrophic it is. He sees the hurt that we endure upon ourselves because of our sinful behavior. And the Lord looks upon us with a type of grief in his heart when he sees his children who love to indulge in sin. And he sees how we are damaging our lives and ruining our witness and our credibility. How many times have the Lord responded to your tears because of his love, but he's looking at you like, if you would just stop doing this.